Alright, I think I'm live right now. NIO analysis live for earnings. Checking if everything's fine. My hair is looking awful, guys. I was taking a walk and then I suddenly decided to run all the way back home because that was the right thing to do. Alright, so let's take a look at NIO right now. NIO is still going as predicted. I guess we have to move this here. Honestly, this looks a little bit more accurate. Let's just not do that though. Something like this. Well, something like this, right? Alright, so I would say I'm gonna have to check if everybody's here in the live stream, so there we go. Checking it out right now, guys. We are live right now. We're going to do the NIO analysis. We're also going to be live for the earnings report. If you are watching right now, make sure you let yourself be heard. Hit that thumbs up right now, guys. Right now. Hit the thumbs up. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Okay, so what's happening, right? Why is NIO going down? Well, basically, we said it would go down. We've been saying this all the time. We said, hey, this is going to go down at 49, come back down all the way. This could be the start of the crash all the way down to $35. No doubt. There we go. We're going to 45.9. Never mind the thumbnail. I'm just trying to, people have to come to this video. That's why the thumbnail is saying, hey, we're going to $60. We're not going to $60. We're going to go to $60 maybe in a couple months, but not right now. I think right now we're going to go down severely. But I'll explain in a second. I need people to join this live stream right now. Everybody has to join. So I have to share the link one more time. I think that should be enough. NIO stream live right now. We're also going to be streaming earnings. So this is just going to be the analysis, right? This is going to be the analysis for what we think is going to be happening for NIO. We're not done analyzing this. Honestly, this is a little bit accurate. This could be it, right? This could be the crash downwards, but let's just be conservative. We're going to do another analysis right away. We've got 50 people watching right now. Welcome to the NIO live stream, guys. Welcome. Welcome, Mert, Darius, Marco, Quantum, Powell. We're almost... Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit out of breath because I took a walk and then I realized, oh my god, I have to go back and live stream. So I had to run all the way back home. A little bit out of breath. We're about to begin. So, okay. I would say we can do this now. Can we? No, we can't. Let's just say that we broke the bullishness. We're going bearish now. So this could be the bearish channel now. And that could mean that we're going to go down all the way. Let's just do it like this. There we go. I'm still waiting for everybody to get in here. I want everybody to be watching this live stream because I'm not going to do this live stream again. Guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up so people can see this live stream before all hell breaks loose. You can see the MACD is about to come down. Oh boy. This is not looking good, especially if we take a look at the daily. Look at the daily, guys. Tell me. What do you think is going to happen if you look at the daily chart on the MACD? Let's just zoom in so everybody can see right away what's happening. So, does this look like a bubble or does this look like a stock that is going to go to $300? This is a legitimate question. Is this looking like a stock that is going to $300 or to $30? I mean, in my opinion right now, this is going to go back to $30. But there are some YouTubers out there saying, hey, this is going to go to $300. I don't know where they get their predictions from, but it's somewhere on the moon. And it has to come back to Earth, right? We are going to the moon, but we're going to be going to the moon by shorting this, not by going bullish. This is not a bullish stock right now. This is looking very bearish. It's about to come down all the way. You don't want to be stuck in NIO right now. You want to get away right away. Like I just can't. I can't. There's so many people stuck in NIO right now. It's just mind-boggling. They're hoping for this to go to $100, $200. Yes, it will go there eventually, but not right now. I think we got enough people. Oh, dang it. Great, I broke my screen just a little bit further on my phone. It happens. But yeah, this screen on my phone is almost done. I see we had a donation. Thanks for the Palantir and NIO rips. No problem, man. This was AT Spectre AK. Nice name. All right, we got 100 people watching right now. I think we are ready. We're going to post the link one more time. Last chance for the live stream. There we go. And I think this will be enough. Okay, so I think I'm going to start right away. Go to 30 minutes. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, cool. First, I'm going to have to look at every time frame correctly. Yeah, this is looking bearish. Bullish. Okay, I got it. All right, cool. Are we ready, guys? I'm gonna check the live chat really soon, right now. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? If we are ready, we're gonna start right away. Is there noise, or is my voice like correct? Is there any issues? So, checking what people have to say about this. Ready. I'm getting no and ready and no issues. Cindy says no issues. Okay, cool. We are ready. All right, here we go then. Here goes nothing. 1 second. About to start. Gonna have to. All right, I'm ready, guys. Let's begin this analysis right away. Okay. I always go out of breath when I'm doing this. How many people are watching right now? Oh, 150 people watching. I'm totally not nervous. Nah, I'm not nervous. We've been doing this quite some time. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. I am Gara, and today we're going to be analyzing NIO stock for the 17th of November, earnings day. The third quarter earnings are going to be today, and it's going to be interesting. It's going to be really interesting. What's going to happen, right? Are we going to rally to $300, or are we going to come back down to $30? Let's see what happens, right? I'm kidding. We would probably rally to $60 if it's really bullish. But we'll see. We'll find out very soon. Before we do this analysis, guys, please make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's all I'm asking. I work 10 to 12 hours on the videos and on the live streams. So that's the only thing I'm asking for. We're almost hitting 8,000 subscribers, and if everybody would subscribe right now, we would reach that level right now. So that would be crazy. Let's see what happens, right? All right, so let's go to the analysis right away. And yeah, so what's been happening? We had a huge surge in anticipation of earnings. Then we came back down. This was a big correction. Basically, this came after the Citron report. We predicted this move correctly. Even before the Citron report, I was saying, guys, it's going to go to $50 and then come back all the way down, which happened, right? We did predict this. So we could applaud ourselves, but that would be a little bit, that would be not so humble. But yeah, bottomed out right here, and then we came back up for earnings. And you can see we're already starting to sell off. And I've shown you guys that whenever we have earnings, usually on earnings, we go up. Then when earnings comes, when the report is released, we have a big sell-off. This generally speaking happens. It's just a fact. You can check the past earnings where NIO went up before earnings. Usually we have a big correction after that. So I think this is going to happen again, but we don't know it for certain. We have to look at every time frame right now. So let's just do that. On the 30 minutes, the MACD looks a bit extended. It does look like we crossed bearishly, so this could be going down. We are neutral on the RSI, and yeah, guys, honestly, I think this could go up to approximately $48 and then come back down. So we'll see what happens. We could also be going upwards to $50 and come back down in anticipation of the earnings report. And then at the earnings report, we'll have a big sell-off. But we don't know anything. We're just looking at the 30 minutes. We'll be coming back to the 30 minutes after the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. So let's go to the 1 hour right now. Whew, bit out of breath, but it's fine. Yeah, okay, cool. Paused. All right, we are ready. Whoa. So, live stream is working. Okay, so time for the 1 hour. We're now looking at the 1 hour, and you can clearly see we had a bullish cycle on the MACD, and it looks like we're about to see just a little bit more bullishness before we go down. So this could go up just a little bit, just like that, to approximately 49, maybe even a little bit higher than that, and then come back down. So that's what I would expect. Well, the MACD wouldn't move like that, more something like this. So we have a rally towards earnings, and this is being bullish, right? I'm being bullish right now. We rally towards earnings, and then we come back down all the way to the oversold, just like that. It's going to be really, really bearish after earnings because obviously lots of people are going to be selling off because there's no more catalyst. We have NIO Day coming up, but that's it. That's about 2 months away from now. So I would say after this big correction, we'll use this level as support, go to maybe $50, and then come back down all the way. That's what I'm seeing on the 1 hour, and I would say this, because this could very well be the case. Let's see, right. So yeah, I would say though that this could be just like that, and then come back down. So this would be more likely because this is 1 a.m. This is the earnings report around there, and then we sell off all the way down. Okay, that was it for the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour to see what happens a little bit after earnings. Okay, so, oh my gosh, 241 people watching. Guys, welcome to the live stream. If you're new here, my name is Gara. I do stock analyses, and I give guidance, the best guidance that I can possibly give on YouTube. And if you enjoy these videos and live streams, just take 2 seconds and just hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I've been doing this 12 hours a day. I would like that to be the case, that you guys would like the videos and subscribe. That would be the least I could ask, so make sure you do that. We took the pause, and now we go to the 4 hours. Briefly going to take a look at the 2 hours. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, see if the live chat is working. Live chat is working. 265 people in this live stream. Oh my gosh. Wonderful. We had 400 people yesterday. Let's see if we can get to 400. Alright, so just give me a second. Yeah, this could go up just a little bit before earnings. I mean, this is not going to go down right away, right? I think it's going to go up just a little bit before earnings. Although, but that's what everybody's expecting. So we have to do the opposite of what everybody's saying. So whatever retail trader tells you, just do the opposite. Because usually they don't know what they're doing. Alright, cool. Okay, we're looking at the 4 hours, and we can see that the 4 hours, the MACD is about to go up, but it's not going up right away. It looks like it's stagnating. We can see it's almost going negative, right? So it could be going further to the downside. So the possibility of going up and then down, the chances of that is going to be less likely than we thought. So this move to the upside, while it is possible, I think it's less likely since the 4 hours is turning more bearish. So I would say we are not going to cross. And if we are, it's going to be a brief blip, and we come back down away again. So I would say on the 4 hours, possibly to maybe like 448, and then come back down all the way, just like that, to the $30, and maybe even all the way to $24. But let's just be a little bit conservative. I hope people don't dislike this outcome. It's just the technicals are showing me that the MACD is going to come down, right? This is like literally a correction all the way downwards. So I would say approximately 35 to about $38. This would be the sweet zone to get into NIO. This would be the absolute sweet zone. We'll correct this move and the big move there. But yeah, if you get in there and we bounce, well, that's going to be sweet, right? I think that could be very well the case. We have a good support right there, and we have a gap. So, well, in a very, very terrible case, we go down all the way to $31 because we'll fill this gap to the downside. We haven't filled it. Could be the case. Obviously, there's a potential that we go down just like that, something like that, but I don't think so. We had a rapid move to the upside. I think we'll rapidly come down as well. So this could be the case for the coming weeks for NIO. MACD would come down, maybe even stabilize a little bit, just like that. See a little bit of upwards, downward movements, just like that, and then go upwards for the NIO day, which is also going to be coming up. Like we said, it's going to be a big catalyst, a bigger catalyst than earnings. I can tell you that. It's going to be massive. So I know that this looks a little bit awful, but I can't really draw it differently because I do think that we're going to just go to the oversold, and let's just draw it properly on the RSI. There we go. So just like that. And then we just go to the upside. So brief correction. Okay, guys, so I just want to tell you one thing. I do believe that NIO is a very, very awesome company, and their stock is valuable. Just right now, in this short time frame, it's going to correct. Right after this correction, I think it's going to go to $100, $200, $300 the coming years. It's just this little brief time frame, NIO is incredibly overvalued. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go to the daily, and I'll show you why. Okay, so I took the pause button. I'm a little bit out of breath. But I'm out of breath because I was walking outside and I ran a little bit, and I'm kind of a little bit overweight, so I'm gonna have to work on that. Really have to work with that. Oh, I just recently had COVID, so that might have to do with my... Alright, so we got 400 people watching right now. Guys, welcome to the live stream. If you don't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I do analyses for your favorite stocks, and I give you the best guidance that I can possibly give. I don't give you what you want to hear. I'll give you what you really need. So that is what Lucid Trading is about, and that's what we will be always about, trying to help people. All right. So we're looking at the daily right now. If you appreciate my videos, if you appreciate this live stream at me, just literally working on these videos 12 hours a day without receiving a penny yet from YouTube or anything, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers. How many people do we got? 400 people watching. So if everybody would subscribe right now, we'll hit the 8,000 right here, right now. And if that happens, I'll just live stream until earnings, right? Because the plan right now is to do this analysis and then ride and Workhorse, and then I'll go. But if we hit 8,000 subscribers right now in this live stream, I will live stream all the way to 1 a.m. for me when NIO is going to release their earnings report. How many minutes have we got left? We got about 9 minutes left until market close. Interesting. Just going to check something. Live chat is working. Everything is working pretty fine. Here we go for the daily, guys. Did I hit the pause button? That's the question, right? Yes, I hit the pause button. So, there we go. What is the daily doing? Yeah, we could bounce again. I just think it's very, very, very unlikely. We've been overbought for so long. 2 weeks now. When do we ever get overbought for 2 weeks? Never. This is very bearish. This is very bearish. How many people are watching? Let me check. Is everything working? Okay, 433 people watching. Hey guys, doing the analysis for NIO right now. We're at the 1 day. After that, we're going to go to the 30 minutes. We're going to start with the 1 day right now. Okay, so we're looking at the 1 day right now. And this is one of the main reasons that I'm saying that NIO is looking pretty bearish. I think what's going to happen is the MACD is going to cross negatively, just like that. This will trigger a massive sell-off, a sell-off that we have never seen with NIO. It is going to be absolutely insane. It's giving me a headache right now. it's going to look very ugly. And I think, especially if you consider how long we've been in the overbought, I mean, it's just not looking good. It's not looking good at all. I think it's going to come down just like that to neutral. And the MACD's going to come down all the way. This could be a sell-off just like this, and I'm being called at the wrong time. Perfect time that you can get called is during a live stream. Okay, let's try that again, right? No sweat. So I think we're going to cross, and we're going to come back down to approximately $30 in a very bearish scenario. Then we see a little bit of a bounce and possibly even keep going. It just looks very bearish. And then obviously then we'll be bouncing towards this bounce. Obviously will not happen right away. Like so, this bounce will just be like that and then go upwards. This will be in anticipation for NIO Day, which is going to be I think it was the 7th or 6th of January. But this is my bearish case. Like, we're going to go down. That is going to be my bearish case. My neutral case is going to look a little bit more like this. And then we bounce. So this could be my neutral case. We would probably reach all-time high again after like a month or one and a half month for NIO Day. I think people are really anticipating some really good news there. So this would be the sweet spot, like I said, around the $30 to I would say $38. If you could get in there, that would be amazing. I personally will get into that spot. I will get NIO, obviously. In this range, I will get NIO, right? It's not going to be super bearish when it's in this spot. I think it could go up significantly. But in a bearish scenario, if the markets keep going down, well, we could go to $24. So I'm going to be warning you right now. This could definitely take a turn for the worse because we have already seen 50% downwards moves right there. We've seen it right there. Many more times right there. So it's not something very uncommon for NIO to just drop like 50%. Just wanted to let you know. And obviously we'll go up for NIO Day. But yeah, guys, let's go to the 30 minutes and draw the pattern for the near term. Oh, sometimes I can go out of breath real quick. Jeez. 400 people watching. 500 people watching. Amazing. Lots of people are passionate about NIO. That is good to see. NIO is a wonderful company. I love NIO. Like, honestly, I love NIO. I just want it to come down so that I want to buy more NIO. Everybody should be feeling this. Everybody should be thinking, I want to buy more NIO. Why is it so expensive? Okay, just give me a second, guys. Okay, cool. See if the live is working. See if everything is fine right now. Wow, we're almost at 8,000 subscribers. Holy moly, you guys are listening. The deal is, if we get to 8,000 subscribers during this live stream, I will keep going live until earnings, which is, I think, about 3 hours from now. Markets are going to close in about 4 minutes. We're going to finish this up. We're going to do the analysis for the coming day and day and a half. Okay, cool. So we crossed here. The bearish and the bullish channel crossed and we went down. Interesting. So the bearish channel has dominance over the bullish one. We're crossing on the MACD. Mic working? Yeah. Yeah, okay, so this is crossing, but it's like looking kind of neutral. Like it could go both ways. Same on the RSI, same thing. It's like so unpredictable right now. On the 30 minutes, I would say. If I would give it a guess, I think we're going to move up to 48. Maybe even a little higher than that. 49. Fill the gap. And then we come down. Right? Something like that. And what did we do in the past? Around this level. We went down. What did we do there? So this is the most important time frame, right? Because this is right now. Just looking, what did we do in the past around this time frame and this RSI? We bottom. Okay, cool. We're bottoming. I think we're bottoming for a brief rally to the upside. See what everybody's saying right now? Yeah, cool. Yeah. We're looking at the 30 minutes now, the most important time frame for now, because earnings is going to be very soon, and this is the near-term frame. I think we're sort of temporarily bottoming right now. We're going to shoot upwards to approximately 48, come down a bit, and then shoot upwards to 49, come down, and then maybe even to the $49.5, and then we'll see a downwards move all the way down to, I would say, 45.5, then maybe all the way down to 43.5, and then just keep on going downwards with that. It's like a bottomless pit that we're going to be ending up into. Just we go up just like that on the MACD, and then we come back down all the way. It's going to be a huge correction. RSI is going to go up just like that, and then come back down just like that. It's going to be oversold for quite some time. I'm going to tell you this is going to be very ugly, and it's not going to stop there. It's going to keep going to the 40, and it's just going to be very, very ugly. Like we drew before, I think this is going to happen. There's also a possibility that we go just like that. So keep that in mind. I'm being bullish right here. This is my bullish case. My bearish case is we drop just like that really sharply to approximately 42, and then 40, what is it, 41, 40, and then to 38. But yeah, this is my 30-minute analysis. This is what I think is going to happen for earnings. Obviously, if it's bullish, we go to 54 and then come back down. I don't think so. I really don't think so. I don't think earnings is going to be that good. In comparison to the expectations, earnings won't be that good. And yeah, so that would be it for the 30-minute analysis, and that would be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I really do. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers. We're very close. If we hit 8,000 subscribers, we will continue this live stream all the way until earnings and do earnings for NIO as well. So smash that subscribe button right now. And on top of that, guys, check out the social media. We have an Instagram, a TikTok, a Twitter. Everything is down below in the description. If you want to join the community, there's a Discord community, the Lucid Traders community. You can check it out in the description, along with the Patreon if you want to support the channel and you want to get many benefits like early counseling, early access, counseling, buy and sell signals, and many more things. This was Lucid Trading. I'll be seeing you at earnings. Oh boy, 600 people watching. Welcome to the live stream. Like I said, if we hit 8,000 subscribers right now, we will keep on live streaming until the earnings report. So make sure you subscribe right now, guys. I can view it in real time on my phone. So I hope you enjoyed the NIO analysis, guys. I am overworked. I've been working like 10 to 12 hours today on the videos and live streams. But I'm still going to keep going for you guys. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to take a break for like 30 seconds. Hope you guys don't mind. We're still looking at NIO. Market's just closed. What's happening on the 5 minutes? Yeah, it's going as predicted. It's going upwards now. Checking live stream. Oh boy. I'll be taking a 30-second break. Or a couple minutes, right? We're going to take a bit of a break. The market just closed. S&P is down. It's about to go up though, so that's bullish for NIO. What's Tesla doing? Is Tesla up? Tesla is not doing much. Our prediction was a little bit off. But it's still going to go up, right? And NIO is, I would say NIO is still looking bullish for now. about to cross to bullish territory. Yeah, I think if we hit 8,000 subscribers, we're just gonna live stream until earnings. So I'm checking it right now. It's not refreshing for me though. So I'm assuming you guys are supporting my channel, and we just hit 8,000 subscribers, because it's not refreshing. Usually, when the subscriber count doesn't refresh, it's because it's like an overload of people hitting the subscribe button. We're gonna be looking at the NIO. We're gonna be looking at NIO, Ride, and Workhorse for this live stream. So make sure you stay, because this is gonna be awesome. We'll be doing this until earnings for NIO, which is about 3 hours from now. And yeah, it's just going to be great. It's going to be amazing. We're going to find out. See, there we go. That's the bullish move that we were talking about. It's happening right now as we speak. See what happens. So, is this the bullish move towards $50? Who knows? Only God knows. Okay, so this... Oh, wait, it's not going up again? I really expected it to go up severely, like, honestly. 47? That's it? But yeah, it could go up to... I think the maximum will be like $50. And then after that, it's just going to collapse. We almost hit the oversold there, but it's going to go up and then come back down. Yeah, okay, so maybe we have to move this a little bit. Yeah, wait 1 second. Because I'm usually really bad with the time frame. So this is earnings. It's right there, right? Let's just draw a circle around this place. So... Wait, the earnings... The report is right now, isn't it? Isn't the report right now? And then the webcast is like later on? Wait, hold on. Yeah, we're going down. This could be the bearish scenario, right? Look at that. Look how it's moving. It's moving parabolically. Wait, oh, check the report. NIO earnings report. NIO investor relations. It results to... Oh! We got the results in, I think. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's the crash. Yeah, okay, cool. Guys, we're crashing. Guess... Oh, my God. I'm making a lot of money right now. Oh, my God. No freaking way. Holy moly. Oh, my God. I'm shorting NIO right now, guys. I got like 5 times leverage on 10K. Holy moly, that's a lot of money. Guys, like we said, this was the bullish scenario. I've been saying this for quite some time now. It's going to be it's looking very bearish. I told you, I told you so. I'm just saying that, you know, I don't know. I'm speechless. I am speechless. Okay. It's going to go down to $35 probably. Sorry. If anybody's holding NIO right now, I've been saying this for quite some time. I've been saying this for quite some time. I've been saying that NIO is going to go down for such a long time. Obviously, my advice is just guidance. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for anybody that's losing money on NIO. I feel bad for everybody that is. I get it. NIO is a strong company, but I'm just sorry, man. That's all I can say. I've been saying this for such a long time. I said, guys, we're going to crash, we're going to crash, we're going to crash. Nobody wanted to listen. Oh, boy. I bought some Tesla with the profits. This is looking so bloody. So many people just sold their house, they sold their cars to buy NIO stock. Look at this. I did my best, you know. I just wanted to warn everybody. I've been trying to warn everybody. It's, well, this is nothing. This is nothing. Honestly, this is nothing. This is gonna go. It's gonna bounce, and then it's gonna keep going downwards. It's not even bouncing. Look at that, 43. I've been saying this for a very long time now, guys. Been saying this for a very, very long time now. I think I'm going to sell at around 42. Or I'm going to buy back some shares that I'm shorting. This is not... Oh my god, this is not done yet. This is not even done yet. So anybody that doesn't know what's happening right now, I was predicting that NIO was going to go down for about a week straight. I said, guys, we're going to crash. Guys, we're going to crash. Everybody was hating on me. Everybody was saying that I was wrong, that NIO was going to take over the world, that this was a new paradigm. Well, look at that. I don't want to say I said so, but I said so. And honestly, I feel really bad for everybody that's holding NIO. I'm so sorry for you. I think NIO is going to go up again. Just right now it's having a correction, but it can see a bounce, and then it's probably going to go down again, but it's going to bounce eventually. This will bounce eventually, right? So keep hope. For anybody that's holding NIO, I said that this would crash. I warned everybody for a week straight. 1 week straight. You can look at the history. I have a whole playlist of NIO videos. I've been warning everybody. Honestly, I don't think this could go down way further. This is a classic. How would you say this? Have you ever seen a bubble chart? Well, this is a bubble popping, and this is not the bottom. I don't think this is the bottom. It may rise right now. You know, it's gonna go upwards. Most likely. Man, this is so awful. Look at that. Trying to go up now. We're going to climb up, obviously. We hit the oversold. This is a bounce to the upside now. It's like people buying back in. We got 1,000 people watching. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. We're now live streaming NIO for earnings, and the earnings report just came out. They missed expectations. We hit a really, really steep low at 42. We're coming back up now. I don't think that this is going to be an actual bullish rally. I think this is going to go up and then go down again and then just keep going downwards. I think this is very bearish. I do believe in NIO. I think it's a great company. I just think that it's way overvalued, super overvalued. It makes no sense to be valued at this level right now. It will go to higher levels very soon, to $100. This is resistance, by the way. It's breaching resistance. That's good. Or is it? We'll see. But we'll see what happens, right? I'm shorting NIO right now with about 10,000 euros. I think that's at $49. So we shorted all the way. We bought some Tesla stock with the profits. We're coming back up now to $46. Let's see what's going to be happening next, right? This is going to be very interesting. But I think most likely we will bounce and then we'll come back down again and just form lower highs and lower lows as we go. I'm looking at about $35 to about oh look at that, $46.3. $46.5. There we go. So it is like a hold on. Damn, interesting. So we're now going up severely. We went up like, what, 10% here? So we went down approximately 13%, and then we went up 10%. Still going upwards. Looking very interesting. So what is happening right now is probably going to be... I can... yeah, we're about to touch the orange line on the MACD. But I think this is still going to be coming down. It just does not matter. It just won't matter, honestly. We recovered all the way, but I don't think it's going to matter. I think it's still going to be bearish. 30 minutes is still bearish. And yeah, this is just a wishful bump to the upside. Unless they have anything new coming out, like a new NIO car or new anything, I think this is still going to be very bearish for NIO. It does look like we're about to go up. I hope it does. I hope it goes up, right? At this point, you know, so many people are holding NIO stock. I'm shorting it, but I still hope that you guys get lucky with this one. But that's so crazy. Look at that. This is such an unnatural move. This downwards momentum and then bullish momentum. I think a big institution sold this, and now other smaller institutions and retail traders are coming back in to buy. Wait, let me check earnings right now, right? Quarterly revenues, $666 million. Is that enough to excite everybody? I mean, let's say we do four times this earnings, right? So say, for example, they have 2.5 billion earnings for the year. Still very, 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 very overvalued. Still very over. You can't argue that. It's great. Even if they have great earnings, they need to have 1 billion in earnings for the quarter for this to be a stock price to be valid, which they didn't. They have 666 million. It's great. They beat expectations, but expectations should have been higher. We should have had way higher expectations because the price for this stock is like through the roof. It makes no sense anymore. I don't expect this to be very bullish. Let's just say that. Optimum scenario, we go maybe to 49 and then we still go down. This is like the bullish scenario. Everybody's saying NIO is bullish. Right, cool. Bullish scenario. We go to 49. We still come back down. I already cashed like most of the profits, so I'm fine. We're about to cross bullishly. Let's see what happens, right? I'm seeing a lot of comments in the live chat saying, oh, it's not going to happen. We're not going to crash. It's going to go up. It's going to go to the moon. We'll see. You know, I always say we shall see. Because technicals are saying something really different. By the way, if you're watching this for the first time, you probably are. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I try to analyze and give you the best guidance on your favorite stocks. I've been doing this 12 hours today. So if you appreciate the videos and the live streams, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 8,000 subscribers. We got about 1,300 people watching right now. If everybody would subscribe right now, we would hit that 8,000 and we would keep on streaming until earnings, which is going to be, well, earnings, the webcast, right? So that's going to be about 2.5 hours. And my plan was to go offline in about 30 minutes. But if we hit 8,000 subscribers, I will be willing to not take a break. And we just continue until earnings report. Earnings webcast. I keep getting that wrong. But yeah, make sure you do that. That'll be awesome. We also have social media for the Instagram, the TikTok, the Twitter, all down below in the description, along with a Discord server and a Patreon. Check those out in the description. So I just had to say that to you guys. I think we're already at 8,000 subscribers, aren't we? Let me check. Also, it's we're having a tough time at the 46.5. So, but it is about to go bullish, so it would be very logical for us to go to the $49 right now. We're sitting at 7,900 subscribers. We need 100 subscribers for us to keep live streaming until the earnings report. I'm just keep saying the report, right? It's the webcast. But yeah, looks like we're still going down now. All right, so yeah, I'm thinking about a sell-off, but so far it's being denied on the what we're seeing right now. So NIO is right now sitting at 60. It's sitting at 65 point something $billion, and it has earnings of like what $600 million a quarter. Like what are we talking about, right? That's not a lot for that market cap in a car, like in the automobile industry. That is not a lot of revenue. I could just tell you that. Ford, for example, it's not a bit. You can't really compare the two, but let's just do it anyway. Ford has an revenue of like what? It's a lot. It's $100 billion a year or something like that. Their market cap is like 30 to 40 billion. So NIO is more valuable than Ford, which is understandable because they are creating the new cars of the future. But their revenue is like nowhere to be seen for this price for the stock. So yeah, I mean, this is like there's a great war going on between the bulls and the bears in the chat, and also like you can also see it here. I mean, look at that bearish candle, bullish candle, huge bearish candle, huge bullish candle. Bulls and bears are in disagreement, greatly in disagreement. I can tell you that. Okay, guys, we're 20 subscribers away from 8,000 subscribers. Guys, make sure you subscribe right now. We will hit that 8,000 mark, and I'll be live streaming all the way until the earnings webcast for NIO stock. Holy moly, that was fast. That was like 80 subscribers in 1 second. Holy moly. Damn. That's crazy. Coming back down a bit now. Let's see what the webcast has to offer for us. This is a support, right? It's a great support. This is my bullish scenario. But who knows? Maybe we won't go down. Maybe what we just saw on the daily. I mean, maybe the daily is not gonna come back down all the way. Who knows? What's the 4 hours doing? 4 hours still coming back down. Who knows, right? We could still be a little bit bullish right now. 30 minutes is about to come down severely. The 5 minutes looking slightly bullish. But you want the 5 minutes to be negative and you want the 30 minutes to be bullish, not the other way around. You feel me? This is just going to be some temporary bullishness. I think we just hit 8K. Did we? No freaking way. No freaking way did we just hit 8K. Holy... Whoa. We just hit 8,000 subscribers. What the hell? That is incredible. Okay, that is just... That was fast. Okay, wow. Okay, Thank you guys for 8,000 subscribers. I am forever grateful. Without you guys, I would not be sitting here and I would not be doing these analyses 10 hours a day. This is truly a dream come true, and I will keep doing this the best I can, to the best ability that I can. Even in sick times and poor times, I will keep doing this. I really appreciate it that you guys appreciate my videos and live streams. And I will keep doing this, hopefully forever. But we'll see. We'll see how the future will look like for us at Lucid Trading. But once again, I try to give you what you need, not what you want to hear. I could have easily been like, hey guys, NIO's going to go to $60, $300, like those other YouTubers that are doing that. I won't do that. I will tell you what you need. And this is literally what happened. We said it would crash down. Now it's recovering a bit. It's going to crash down again, most probably. We look at technical analysis. We don't give wishful thinking analyses. So I hope you guys understand that. I do get the frustration. I do get that people dislike the fact that NIO went down and they still believe that NIO is going to go up all the way. It could happen. You know, I could be wrong. But I've got a very nice track record in terms of win rates. I don't think I'm wrong with this one. This is clearly a bubble that has burst, and it's about to come down. It's going to be very ugly. That's my opinion, and it's my guidance. And if you want to hear more of that, if you want to see more of that, then guys, let's subscribe to the channel. We're going for 10,000 subscribers now. That's going to be our next challenge. So, yeah, that would be crazy. Isn't that like 5 digits? That would be crazy. So, yeah, going for 10,000 subscribers. So, make sure you subscribe. You'll be getting the notifications and everything. Holy moly, that's just crazy. Dang. Okay, so just give me 1 second. I'm checking one thing real fast. Yeah, people are really mad at me apparently for getting the analysis right. It's a really strange phenomenon, but apparently if lots of people are bullish on a stock and I'm saying that it's gonna go bearish, it frustrates people. I understand it completely though. I would do the same thing. Alright, so we're still hanging around at the 45. Okay, 45.7. This is very intense. I can tell you that this is very, very intense. This could go both ways for the short term. It could go up to 60. Okay, 60 is a bit overly done. 50, 52, and then come down. Or go down right away. We'll see. Yeah, earnings is going to be very soon, in about 2.5 hours. I think it was 7 p.m. EST. Something like that. Not sure. I don't live in that time zone. But something around that. Hold on, checking the live chat rules really, really quick. What's happening? Are we still going down? Guys, could you please send me some stock recommendations for the video? I want to know. I want to make new stock videos very soon. And I don't really have a stock that I could review. I got Tesla, I got NIO, I got Apple, Workhorse, AMD. But I want more stock review stocks. So if you could hit me up with some. I'll be checking the chat right now. I saw Nikola. I did Nikola before, but I really don't like the CEO, Trevor Milton. He stepped down. Don't want to cover that stock necessarily. But if you have any other good stocks, just let me know. I might do it for the videos. Honestly. Yeah, like we said, it's going bullish temporarily because we have a crossover on the MACD. This is gonna probably go up just like... I'm gonna draw it out. 1 second. Let's grab the drawing brush. I think we could cross and then come back down. Just literally just very, very bearish. Something like that, or I would say... I can't properly draw this. Yeah, something like this. We're going to remain in this zone under there. And RSI is going to jump just like that and then come back down to the oversold. Now, looking at the time frame, this could either be a couple days or 1 week, this move. So this could be either today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, or this week and probably next week. We'll think about that, right? But this is classical. We've seen this before in a bubble chart, a hype bubble chart. Basically, it's like a bubble gets created because of euphoria and hype. It bursts. We have a bit of a move to the upside because of denial. Then things return to normal. Things is returning to normal, right? And then we go down severely for the bearish stage. That will be the big correction. We haven't seen the big correction yet. I wouldn't say that this is the big correction. This is just a brief correction. The big correction would be right here. It would go to the $30. Let me just check the... We're sitting at 45.7. By the way, 40 people just literally unsubscribed when I said that NIO was going to go down. It's crazy. That's like, wow. Can't you not just accept that it's going to correct a bit and before it goes up? I'm just saying, it will. That's reality. Stocks don't only go up. You have to come back to reality. Stocks don't only go up. They go up and then they correct. That's how stocks work. That's how you make profit, because you know that this is working in that manner. If stocks only go up, it doesn't work that way. It just doesn't. I'm going to stop arguing about this because, honestly, it's just a waste of time. We're starting to come down now. We're hitting the 45.12. See what the 3 minutes looks like. $44.9. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. I mean, look at the 30 minutes. It's like it just started the bearish cycle. Literally, this is just the start. 44.7. Let's see what happens, right? 44.59. We're still sitting at reasonable levels, right? This still could be gapping upwards. Who knows? Webcast is in 2.5 hours. Maybe the CEO is going to say something like, hey, we're going to release a really new car. It's going to compete with Tesla. It's going to take over market cap. I highly doubt it, but you never know. Lots of people are saying it's going to happen, so maybe. Maybe it's going to happen, right? Let me check live chat. Some stocks that are recommended. All right, so I think it's going to be time to be looking at the report because we have a lot of time. We had to. This was more important because this was the effect the report had on the stock, which. I'm going to check if the report was any good. I think it was bad. I looked at it. It was bad in terms of like they should have reported more for the price to not go down. That's what I'm trying to say. It was good, but it was bad in terms of what the price is at right now. So I would say that, man, that's not a lot of deliveries, guys. I'm telling you. That's not a lot of deliveries. That is nothing. This is nothing. If you take a look at Tesla, any other auto manufacturer that also sells EVs, Volkswagen, they sell more EVs than NIO. They have revenues like through the roof. I'm not going to argue. This is not a lot of deliveries. For the price that NIO is at right now, NIO is overvalued, way overvalued right now. We went up 27 times in 1 year time. So this should be correcting. Total revenues was 666 million. This quarter, right? This is one of the best quarters for the EV industry. This is not a lot for the price. Not a lot for the price of the stock right now. It was a great increase, but I would say, oh yeah, it's a 146% increase. It does not matter. It does not matter if the stock price is this high. It literally doesn't matter. They need like a 300% increase, maybe 400% increase to make this stock price look legit. It just doesn't matter right now. It's a good quarter. It's not bad. I'm saying it's a good quarter, but for this stock price, nah, not at all. Gross profit was 86. That's nice. It's nice. Great quarter. Net loss, still loss, right? There's a net loss. They have a net loss, and they're still at like what? 65. Here it says 49 billion. It's about $65 billion market cap. It doesn't make sense. Cash. They got a lot of cash. That's nice. This is the reason why I think NIO is going to go to $100 maybe before the end of the year. Just not right now. This could be amazing for NIO. So they can invest into their business, right? Okay. They have this many vehicle sales in total. Wait, what? In millions. Oh, okay, millions, right? Cool. In RMB millions. Yeah, well, that I can't read that. I don't know what an RMB million is, right? It's probably in China, Chinese currency. Launch of a 1 second. Is the live stream still working? I always have to check that. All right, so completion of registered follow-on offering. This was nice, great stuff for the American stock market. Launch of a battery pack, so there's innovation. Deliveries are increasing, that's nice. Completion of increase of controlling equity interest. Okay, cool. This is not necessarily very. So CEO and CFO comments. We achieved a new record high quarterly deliveries, 12,206 ES8s, ES6, and okay, cool. Followed by the best ever monthly deliveries of 5,055 vehicles. But this is old news. We already knew this. We had a massive rally. Why do you think we rallied so much? Because we knew this. Everybody knew this. This was going to happen. It was priced in. So everybody that says like, oh yeah, we got good news. We already knew that there was good news coming. In view of the growing market demand for competitive products, we expect to deliver 16,000, 17,000 for the coming quarter. Okay. 17,000. So that would be 30,000 with the Q3, 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000. That's nothing. That is literally nothing. I'm just going to be real with you. This is not a good result when we take a look about like what the price is at. This price should be way lower for what they're delivering. And anybody that says that this is not a car company and they are receiving like a significant portion of their revenue from cars. So you can't say this is not a car manufacturer. You just can't do that. Yeah, vehicle sales, right. Other sales. How is this? I just can't get. Other sales at 38 million. Cars at 628. This is definitely a auto manufacturer. Let's just be real. Cost of sales was this much. Okay, they made a lot of losses as well. So research expenses, selling in general. Okay, cool. All right, we got to the nitty and gritty, and this is not necessarily going to be too important. I think the key point was this. Man, what is it doing right now? We're sitting at 45. Let's see if we can hold the 45. $45 still. I don't know. I think it's gonna go up now. It has to go up around this point in the price because it can't go much lower on the Mac. Well, it can. Never mind. I was looking at it wrong way. Yeah, this could come down really like a lot. Just be careful, guys. Just be careful. Honestly, don't get burnt on one stock. Have different stocks that you're holding, and yeah, I mean, gosh, I'm checking the live chat right now. Currently. Give me 1 second. I'm checking your stocks. What's NIO doing? Are we? Oh, we're still going up. We're still stuck at the 45. Wow. If this stock goes down to 35, then show some support on the Patreon because we were right. If it does. How low is NIO going to go? Okay, we're gonna have to look at key support levels. I think it's definitely gonna hit 41. Definitely. 41 is coming up. This is a strong support level. We saw this right there. It was strong here. It was strong here and here. I'll just draw the drawing tool. I'll grab the drawing tool right now. So I would say this support level could potentially be reached again. Very strong support sitting there. So we could come back down just like that to the 40, I think it's a 40.8, right? 41, 40.8. This could be possible. There's enough room for the MACD to go down to that level, I would say. And I think we're going to see a massive bounce to approximately this level, 43, 44. And then go down again to 38, which 38 you can see is a great support. Very great support level. So I think 38, if this stock has any hope left, is going to be the bottom. If it's not 38, we're going down to 35. Let's just be positive. I want to be optimistic for you guys because a lot of you are holding NIO. It's going to go to, let's say it goes down to 38. Let's be optimistic, right? I said it would go down to 35, maybe even 25. Let's just 38, right? It's just 38. That's it. Wait, are people saying that I work for Citron? Oh my god, that's a compliment. I don't work for anybody. I work for myself. Well, I guess YouTube. But yeah, that's hilarious. Because I'm bearish, I'm working for Citron. Okay, I'll take it. Okay then. Sorry, but that's just hilarious. I can laugh about that a little bit, but I appreciate the comment though. Whoever it was. Looking at the live chat. Let me check. I don't know. I don't really take offense at like anybody that's like hating at me. It's whatever. Come at me, bro. It's fine. I think it's fine. It's just let your frustration go. Come at me. It's fine, you know. I'm here. I could be your scapegoat. That's what they call it, right? But I still believe NIO's gonna go down despite you hating on me. It's not gonna change my opinion. It's not gonna change the technical analysis. Oh my, I've never had 89 dislikes. If you're watching this right now and you enjoy the videos, you enjoy the live streams, and you're not necessarily hating on me, then guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Show them who's the boss. This is like it's going to be a thumbs up and down war. I'm pretty sure about that. Oh, I think NIO lovers are gonna win this. Oh, when it comes to like the thumbs up and the thumbs down. Oh my god. Oh boy. The thumbs up and the thumbs down is not gonna affect the stock price. Just gonna say it's gonna tell you right now. It's gonna affect my mood maybe later on, just a little bit, but I'm feeling pretty good. Wow, this is like a battle going on in the thumbs up and the thumbs down, or yeah, it's like, damn, looking pretty brutal. If you love the videos, if you love the live stream, guys, show them who's boss. Hit the thumbs up right now. Let's get ourselves to 1,000 thumbs up. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. I've never had this many likes on a video ever, so it's cool. We are reaching all-time highs. NIO isn't, but we are, so that's great. I like NIO. It's a really good company. It's a really good stock to be holding. Just right now, looking very bearish. We're going to 44.6. $44.4, I think. Oh no, 44.6. Yeah, we're still struggling at this level. Wow, the dislikes and the likes are like going crazy right now. But we have like 382. I've never had this many likes ever, or dislikes. Both are all-time highs. But I want to take a brief look at the 30 minutes. Or wait, that's the 3 hours. 30 minutes still coming down, guys. Not looking very positive. It looks like we have a bottomless pit going on here. But we'll see. We'll see if the NIO bulls are right. Yeah, still stuck at 45. It's like we're moving sideways in this range now. From 45 to about 44, right? Just like that. I want to just briefly take a look. I'm going to be taking a look at the earnings report real quick. Again, the net loss was 154 million. Jesus. It was a decrease, right? That's why it was such good news. It's a decrease of loss. Those are good numbers. I mean, they're great numbers. This is record-breaking numbers, but this record-breaking number is not gonna put NIO out of its misery. It's not enough. But the market cap is like 65 billion. It's too much. Too much, man. Is there anything that could save this company from going down to 35? Is a pioneer in China's premium smart electrical. That's, yeah, well, fair enough. Vehicle margin, it's low margins, not that good in comparison to Tesla, I believe. Yeah. $175 million attributable to NIO's ordinary shareholders. That's a lot. But yeah, they're growing. It's fine. They can have losses. That's fine. But still, I think the valuations should be almost cut in half for this to make sense. Which means around the 30 billion to 40 billion market cap. That would be, in my personal opinion, that would be the right valuation for NIO right now. And then we can slowly start from there. I was bullish on NIO for quite some time. I remember my first NIO video was when NIO was like at $20 or something. I was bullish all the way. But I cannot be bullish with a rational mindset right now. Just can't. Honestly. Yeah, it's having a struggle at 45. Yeah, okay, it could see a bounce, but I think it's going to see something similar to what we saw here. This one could be happening again, just like that. We're waiting for something to happen, right? But I think this looks exactly like this move. Exactly like this move, honestly. So we could see that happen right now. So any moment, we're just waiting for it to happen. Could be wrong, but last time the MACD was sitting around here. Yeah, this is looking very similar, actually. If I'm right, NIO haters, or NIO lovers, lucid haters, I guess. I don't know what word. If I'm right, I mean, I would recommend subscribing to the channel, honestly, which means you'll get better analyses. Could potentially use that guidance for yourself. Who knows? We've been right many times before, NIO. This could be another one. Oh my god, there's like a war going on in the live chat. It's incredible. It's never witnessed something like this. I don't hate NIO. I just think this is gonna go down because of the technicals. I do technical analysis, remember? So yeah, it's starting to come down a bit. 44.8. Don't know if this is really bearish. Doesn't have to be. There's about 2 hours left until we can see and view the webcast. I have not been wrong yet. We're still crashing. I mean, we went down from 49 to what we are here right now. We'll see. Okay, so yeah, this is crashing. If you don't think that this is crashing, honestly, let me just. Where is it? I'm going to show you a chart. It's going to blow your mind. It's going to predict what NIO is going to do. Is this it? There we go. This chart. Can I zoom in here? There we go. I wish I could just... Whatever, this is going to be fine, right? So this chart right here, let's just compare this to NIO. Where are we right now? Let's go to the daily. I knew this was going to happen because of this chart. I've been watching this chart for quite some time. I need to get this like that. We're at 45.2. Maybe the 4 hours would be properly for this. Yeah, I think that's fine. Do you see this? This parabolic move to the upside? Okay, now let's compare these charts. This is a hype bubble chart, right? This was the stealth phase, which started right around, is way back. This was the stealth phase. The first sell-off Well, there was the takeoff, right? We have to look at the takeoff. This was the takeoff. I would say that this was the takeoff. We went up to like $16. We had a sell off there. This was a bear trap. I remember this very. Hey, look at that. There we go. This was the bear trap. Media attention, enthusiasm, etc. The greed that started happening right around there. It's really insane. The greed and the delusion, I would say that would happen right here. That was greed and delusion. Greed and delusion. New paradigm. The new paradigm was here at this $53.54 level. That's when everybody was saying NIO is going to take over the world. NIO is going to go to $300. This is different. This is not the similar thing like Tesla. It's going to be better than Tesla. NIO is way better than Tesla. Oh my god, why are you not buying NIO? New paradigm. I remember this. I saw the comments. I was reading the comments, every single comment. The denial phase. I would say right now we could be in the denial phase, but this phase, the downturn, was denial. Everybody who was denying is like, this is just a correction. It's going to come back up. Just buy more. Buy the dip. That was the denial phase. So we went down. Everybody was denying reality. Now this is the return to normal, right? This is, hey, everything's fine. While the building is burning. This is fine. I'm going to show you. This bounce to the upside is like, hey, everything is fine. Return to normal. Now, what's next is this. Fear, capitulation, and despair. Fear, capitulation, and despair. Keep that in mind. This will be fear. This will be capitulation. And I don't know if despair is going to happen. If despair does happen, it's going to be like that. This would be the despair phase. $28 to $30. And if we take a look at the 1 day properly. Hey, that's a bubble chart. That's exactly like we saw right here. Wow, fascinating. So it doesn't have to be exactly like this. It just has to look similar. But yeah, this would be the most bearish scenario, going to $28, $25. Oh, guys. I think it's almost 11 p.m. for me right now, so it's interesting. Let's go to the 5 minutes. See what's happening right now. That's annoying. Still at the 45. We're coming up a little bit now. We're seeing some bullish candles on the MACD. Which is a good thing, right? Good thing for people that are holding EO. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I mean, what do I say? I mean, well, why are people so negative? Why are people so reactive? I didn't lose any money. People are saying you lost money. I didn't lose money. I didn't. I gained a lot. I bought back right around there. 43, 42. I didn't lose money. It's just, I don't know why people are so negative right now. Guys, chill out. Be positive. Relax. Even if it goes down, it's going to go up again, guys. NIO is a great company. Understand me. I'm just trying to give you some analysis. Come on. Chillax. Relax. Grab an iced tea. Relax. People are saying that I work for GM. I don't work for GM. I work for myself. 45.4. So first I was working for Citron. Now I'm working for GM. I love Tesla. I love NIO. Why would somebody working there love those companies? That makes no sense. I love them so much, I'm creating videos about them. Alright guys, we gotta pick up the pace with the thumbs up. Guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. Show those elusive haters what we are worth. I would really appreciate the thumbs up. Honestly, it would be great. We are at all-time highs with the dislike and the like ratio, both at all-time highs, unlike NIO right now. So make sure you hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you like this channel, if you enjoy it, if you want to see more live streams, and if you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe right now. We already hit 8,000 subscribers. That is amazing. I'm truly grateful for what we have achieved today. Honestly, I wouldn't be here without you guys, so I really appreciate that. And I would say, yeah, anybody that hasn't subscribed yet, subscribe. It would be amazing. We're going to see many more analyses for NIO stock. I think very soon we're going to have bullish analysis for NIO stock. Just right now, brief correction. After this correction, I think NIO is going to go to the moon. Definitely. Just some bearishness coming up, right? So now I'm working for Russia. I don't really get it. I don't really understand this. But it's fine. I think I got... MACD is still coming down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just look at that MACD. That is not natural, man. That is not looking good. It's at least gonna cross, right? It could go up again after that, but then it's still coming back down severely, like very severely. But yeah. Still sitting at the 45. Guys, honestly, I want to say this one more time. We are here to make money. We're not picking bullish or bearish. You can earn money both sides. It does not matter up or down. The only thing that matters is you're making money. That's what trading is about. It's always been about that. You go up, you can make profit. You can go down and go make profit. So it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't. It does look like the 30 minutes is about to go bullish, so maybe we'll see some positivity. Maybe we'll bounce up to the 47. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So far, we've been calling NIO's downturn correctly. A repeat of this move could be happening, which is like going down to 42, like we've seen there. But we'll see. We have the webcast coming, so the webcast could potentially be a bullish catalyst. We don't know that yet. Yeah, this could be a potential bottom on the MACD for the short term. But it could also go all the way down. This could be all the way down to 40. I'm going to go back to the, what is it? 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, we're literally floating on nothing. It's just... pretty ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna be assigning a moderator right now because this is like really frustrating. There's like literally people are. This is like hate speech at this point. Wait, let me just hold on. I'm gonna just clean the chat a bit because some people are just like literally saying really bad stuff, like really really bad stuff. Let me check. Like really awful things for no reason. It seems like we are still struggling at this level. 45.39. Hold on 1 second. No, I'm not crying. I'm just taking down some people that are literally using hate speech. There we go. That is one person. No, it's just a couple people. I'm seeing a couple really, really bad comments. It's not all of them. You can be negative. That's fine. I prefer positivity, but some people are really saying really bad stuff. Okay, cool. Should be fine now. It was like 2 or 3 people literally saying like the most terrible stuff I've read in like a year. Let's keep it positive, guys. I won't stop streaming. I know everybody's emotional, so I'll accept that. I'll keep streaming until earnings. There we go. NIO sitting at 45.3. 45.08. So many people going, not short, but just they're selling NIO right now massively. I think this is a temporary bottom at the 42. Look at that. Have we seen something? We have not seen something similar. We've seen something similar right there, though. So we had a bottom, we went up, and then we came down, and that is going to happen again, I believe. But then here, like that. Could be wrong, but being rational. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not really used to getting like hate comments, so I don't know how to react to them. But it's kind of weird. I can tell you that. It's like people I don't know hating on me for whatever reason. It's like so yeah. Oh, are we going bullish? Is this the bullish move? We're crossing on the MACD on the 5 minutes. We could remain bullish for 3 hours. And guess what? The webcast is in about a couple hours. So this could be a bullish move, right? Could be looking pretty good. I would say we could reach 46, maybe even 46.5. Just short term. I should be drawing this out, right? Just the potential. It's really difficult to predict the 5 minutes, so I'm just going to tell you that I could be wrong about this. Possibly go up like that. Go up like this. To like that. 47. And then we come back down. Did we see something similar? We saw something similar right there. Although it was sharper than that. It was more like this. So sharp, very sharp correction. Something similar to that, right? I'll say that this is my near-term analysis for NIO. We are already neutral on the RSI, and we just moved just a tiny bit. So that's very bearish. Thank God the moderators are coming in and cleaning this mess that is happening in the chat here and then. I've never said that NIO is a scam. I'm just saying that NIO is overvalued. Remember when Tesla was overvalued at $500 and it corrected all the way to $300? I'm thinking something similar is going to happen for NIO. So for Tesla, it was about, I think it was 35%, maybe 40%. So we had an all-time high at 55. A 40% correction would be to $35. It wouldn't be bad. That would be a great time to buy into NIO. Hold on, I'm checking everything. Wow, we just hit 8,100 subscribers. That is amazing. Guys, once again, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate that. That is amazing. Like I said, we have been predicting NIO quite consistently. We had some blips here and there, but the trend was kind of correct. We've been saying that this would go down since right here. To be honest, this is about $40. I said, guys, be careful. This can go up to the 50s, but this is going to come down. And I predicted this. We also predicted this move. This one was really easy to predict. We said, okay, $50, come back down. So far we have been consistent. Right now I'm thinking this is going to happen. It's going to be difficult because it's a very near-term prediction. We don't have a lot of time, so it could go anywhere. I am holding a small short position right now. I sold out right around here. Was sold out. I bought back some shares. So it was from 49 to right around there. It's quite nice. I will get a lot more short positions in at around 46, 47 probably. What's wrong with shorting? I mean, anybody can short a stock. Guys, I'm just going to say this one more time. Trading means making money. If you buy or if you sell, it doesn't matter. Shorting or going long, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is making money. And you enjoying the process. Right? The end goal is making a profit. That's trading. Investing is going long. This is just a short-term, I guess, thing, right? So you're not going long. We just got a donation of about £1. Thank you so much for the donation, man. Huang Fu. Eric Foreman says, I checked Google Maps. He has a GM in his driveway. I don't, but thanks for the $2 donation. It's kind of funny. I actually don't even have a car. I think cars are... You know how green I am? I chose to not get a car because I believe those are harmful for the environment. I'm biking every day. I live in the Netherlands. I don't have enough to get an electric vehicle, but I will save up for one. I'll probably get a Tesla at some point. And I'll show it on live stream and video and everything. He works for GM at Nicola. Jesus. I know it's a joke. I get it. Just trolling around. Checking the live chat. Wow. Still at 45. I think we're going to be stuck at this level for, I guess, a couple hours. The 5 minutes are indicating that we're probably going to be, I would say, surging very, very briefly. I would say the RSI is going to go to overbought very quickly and then come back down. Well, this will depend on the webcast. If the webcast is good, like I said, this is going to be very like we don't necessarily know. Could be a very sharp downturn if the webcast is nothing special. If it's very special, then we could go up to $50 again and then come back down. But the trend is downwards. That's what we should understand. At least my opinion of the stock suggests that this is going to go down. So, just wanted to say that. Oh man, no freaking way. Guys. Oh. Eric Foreman says 2% crash incoming, brace yourself. And he donated $5. Thank you so much, man. Huang Fu says, you need to trim, bro. Another £2 donation. Yeah, I need to do that. Very soon I'll be doing that. I've been really busy with, I'm just going to tell you what I'm busy with right now. I'm setting up a website for Lucid Trading. Going to do that as fast as possible. And I've been obviously doing the videos and live stream. That's taking up like 10 hours a day at least. So if I have time over, I'm working on the website, or I am doing consultations with people. My clients are making a hell of a lot of money. So if you want to get consultations, you can do that at the Patreon. I don't have enough time for everybody for the consultation. So yeah, there's a limit to that on the Patreon. Link is in the description. But I just don't really have a lot of time. And I forget to even, do my hair. Because this has been only 1.5 months of me doing this. So that's the reason. But I will definitely be fixing my hair very soon. It's looking good. I gained a lot of weight as well from just sitting all the time and doing videos. I'll be also exercising more and eating less, probably. But yeah. Is it already going down? No, it's not going down, is it? 44. Ethan Hughes says 50% crash, actually. And he donated $5. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that, man. He works for Enron. What? That's just funny. Wait, holy moly. Dang. The Tesla video got got a lot of attention. It's kind of crazy. What is it? Really nice. Yeah, Tesla. Oh my gosh, guys. I did the analysis for Tesla. It's looking pretty solid. Like, it's looking amazing. I can tell you that. Ramin John Ansari just donated $5. BYDDF EOSE RMG, please. Are those actual words? Yeah, so I don't know what kind of stocks that are. I've never heard of those. I will look at those in the future. I'll keep them in mind. But yeah, thanks for the donation, $5 donation. We're looking at NIO right now because there could be a very big move coming up very soon. So just taking a look at this. Another $2 donation. NIO crash would be a lucid dream. Eric Foreman. I mean, it already happened briefly. This was one crash, so it's not necessarily a dream. And it went down here again severely. It's probably gonna go down here as well. So, but yeah. BYD. Someone asked, are you using the Elliott waves? I could if I wanted to, but I'm not doing it because nobody would understand anything if I would do that. Harry Khan, or how you pronounce it, I don't know how to pronounce that. Just sent $1, I think New Zealand dollar. Thanks, man. Thanks for the $1. Are we going down? No, we're still at $45. Are you an Arab? No, I'm not an Arab. I'm a lucid trader. Yeah. Some people think I'm Spanish, which I totally get. Or Italian or something. Or Arab. $45. Okay, so we're just literally doing nothing. We're sitting around this support right now. You see that? Yeah, definitely just sitting around this support. Eric Foreman says, all jokes aside, great stream. Thank you. And he donates $2 again. Thank you for the donation. It will be put to good use. I will short NIO with that money. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I will probably use it for equipment. But thanks, mate. There are a lot of comments in the live chat. I can't answer everybody, and it's difficult. But I did say that I would go live for another 2 hours to 2.5 hours, but at some point I'm gonna have to go downstairs, so you're probably gonna notice that. It's definitely gonna be noticing that. So that will be in about a couple minutes, because people in this house are gonna be sleeping, and I'll go downstairs. So I'm gonna go out of the basement that people just keep on referring to, which is not a basement. Okay, it's not a basement. It's a tiny room. It's just a tiny room. Okay. God dang it. I'm probably gonna have to get an office at some point if things go well. Ja, ik kan Nederlands spreken, man. People think I'm like American or something, and they do hear the tiny tint of like Dutch. Yes, I'm from the Netherlands. Shout out to the Dutch people here. You guys are awesome. No, man. I mean, I love the Dutch supporters. They're great. You guys are loyal. Didn't see any hate from the Dutch side. Not even a tiny bit. Ik zag wel een keertje een PVV-supporter. Dat was wel even schrikken. Yeah, okay, so let's just keep it English now. Kind of funny stuff happening. Scarface says, man becoming famous, 807 people watching. Jeez, don't ever forget me. I'm an OG. You are definitely an OG. At some point, we had like 1.4K or 1.5K. It was crazy, man. Yeah. I don't know what to say about that. Pal just donated £1.5. Thank you, man. That's really appreciated, man. I'm just wow. Wait, hold on. Does anybody have a screenshot of us having like 1.4K in a live stream? So I should have. I wanted to show you like a couple of friends of mine. Like a couple of friends of mine, just they're literally telling me, they're like, "Nah, that YouTube thing that you're doing, it's never gonna work out, right?" I'm like, okay, but 1.5 people, like 1.5K people watching me right now. I mean, that's pretty good, right? But yeah, anyway, guys, there's nothing happening here. Do we want to see a ride and a workhorse analysis while NIO is moving sideways? Just what do we want to see, right? Because I have some time. The webcast is in 2 hours. Like I said, I'll be live until the webcast. So yeah, so many people are saying ride and workhorse. So many people want ride and workhorse. Damn. Palantir. Ride, workhorse, Palantir. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Cool. Give me 1 second. But how many people? Wait, I want to check one statistic. Wow, 11,000 views. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Jesus. Wow. I've never had 11,000 views on a live stream ever. So, really grateful for that, guys. Thank you so much. NIO is still sitting at $45, so I don't think a lot is happening there. It seems like it's about to go negative again. I hope it doesn't, because lots of people are holding NIO, but I'm still bearish on NIO. Let's take a look at Ride. Lordstown Motors. Wonderful stock. Alright, so I remember, like, it was $17. I said, hey guys, Ride is going to go up massively. Well, guess what happened? No, it wasn't even there. It was right here. Around this range, I said, guys, Ride is about to go up to the moon. It was in one of the live streams. And look at that. We almost doubled. We actually doubled for a brief moment. So, anybody that got in here is a real OG. Because this was in one of the live streams. It was really late at night. Yeah. I think we're going to go bullish on the 5 minutes, so. Yeah, so let's just remove that. No, I will stay live until the webcast. Although at some point, I think maybe it will take like a minute. I'll have to go downstairs with the laptop and everything. I don't know how I am going to do that. So there is a possibility that I'll have to like unplug the microphone and everything. We'll see how that goes very soon. I have to go downstairs because lots of people are sleeping. And then people can hear me right now, so. Yeah, still. Look at NIO on the 30 minutes. Why should I look at NIO at the third? What? What's on the 30 minutes? Wait, you had to. Oh yeah, okay. So FedStar said, look at NIO at the 30 minutes. Yeah, what's up with the 30 minutes? It looks like it's about to take a deep dive, just like that. I mean, yeah, I'm looking at the MACD right now. What can I say about this? I mean, it's gonna cross again, possibly. Orange line, it's just looking bearish. What's your opinion, FedStar? What do you think about this? I think it could go pretty low. Just something similar to what we saw right there. Yo, Fed, what you think? I think it's looking like yeah, that's exactly what I've been saying. It's about to just dive deep into bearish territory. Look at this. I want to like look at that and look at this. This price, we're at the same sort of MACD, right? In terms of like the bearish situation, yet the price was way higher back then. And now at this level, I think we're going to come down massively before we see any kind of upturn, and then just something like that. It could also bottom out like at 39. Why not? That's about a $25 correction. I mean, that's not nothing. That's a lot. That's approximately like 30%. Wouldn't be too surprising if that would happen, but there's still some downside left. That's what I'm trying to say. And we're still not oversold. I think we're going to reach the oversold. Some people are saying NIO Day. I agree. NIO Day is going to be a bullish catalyst. But just look at this. When is NIO Day? NIO Day is somewhere. It's oh wait, I don't see the price anymore. It's somewhere here, right? It's somewhere. It's like it's very far away from the stock right now, from the stock price. It's gonna take a long time. Downturn, bullishness, and then we go upwards for NIO Day. I think something similar will happen. We'll have brief buying opportunities, and then we go up. This is the bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, we're going to keep going down to 35, and then we go up. But let's just be conservative. Let's just delete everything right now. Yo, Fed, if you have some time left, please could you make a NIO short video that is like against the haters or something? That would be fun. Just like the one with Tesla, where we said that Tesla would break out and everybody was going negative. Just a short clip. That would be great. But yeah. Still stuck at 45. What's right doing? Right's coming down at like... Well, it could bounce from here, but I think it's highly unlikely. It's highly unlikely that's going to happen. Most likely going to come down and then go up. Right? But I would say... maybe something like that. RSI goes down and then pumps up. MACD goes down and goes up. Brief correction to the downside, and then after that it's gonna look a little bit more bullish. Oh gosh. All right, so what's gonna be next? I would say I would most probably look at Workhorse. I think Workhorse is going to look very similar. Also, do notice that if NIO goes down, Workhorse and the other one, Ride, they're going to go up. So I think we're going to go down, possibly all the way to 19 and then bounce. Yeah, something very similar to that. And probably just like go upwards to the all-time high. This is just a great quarter for EVs and electric vehicles in general. Oh, awesome. We got a PayPal donation. Great. Fantastic. It's a 5.3 donation from... Hold on. We got a 5.35 euro donation from Mr. Yamros. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. Didn't know the PayPal was working. Checking everything right now. Robert, thank you for the donation. Robert Yamros. I think you did a donation through PayPal, so it's not going to be displayed on YouTube because YouTube and PayPal have different donation methods. Like it's a bit different. But thank you, Robert, for the donation. I really appreciate that. Checking something out. Super bearish on NIO. Yeah, I'm super bearish on NIO. Oh, guys, I don't know if this is going to be super relevant to what's happening right now. But I got to let you know because this is going to come very soon. It's not about stocks. It's about the social media. Maybe a little bit interesting. On the Instagram, on the TikTok, very soon, I got a new laptop now so I can edit videos better. I will be uploading short clips of the live stream and the videos. So the short clips will be the buying signals and the selling signals. I'll be uploading them on the Instagram and on the TikTok. Obviously the link can be found in the description, but maybe something to look at. It's going to come out very soon. I would say in less than a week time I'll be starting to upload those buying and selling signals. It would basically be me drawing a line and saying, okay, it's bullish. Or a sell signal would be me drawing a line to the downside. It's bearish. So if you want to follow me for those clips, you can do that on the Instagram and on the TikTok. We still have a Twitter for other things like the economic news and those kind of stuff. So you can check that out as well. What's happening? Cool. Everything is fine. Working pretty great. Oh, my laptop is like exploding suddenly. Really weird. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going super bearish on NIO so far. At least not as bearish as we've seen here. Probably a tiny version of that. I mean, this could still go bullish, so we never know. Or it could go extremely bearish. It's still looking bearish. Let's just say that. We're hitting 45. We're coming down. It's just so slow. There's barely any volume. Obviously, it's the after hours. So we see this huge downturn. Jesus Christ. This one right there as well. What's so fascinating is how fast this went up. Was so incredible. It's like we went down like what? How much was this? More than 10%. That's all I know. Almost, I think it was 15% downturn. Then we moved back up approximately 7%, just like that. That's how bullish people think NIO's looking like. For people asking me what my TikTok is and what my Instagram is, you can find it in the description. I've got a link for everything, for the Twitter, for the Instagram, for the TikTok, even the Discords, because I'm going to show you right now. There is a Discord, so if you want to join, can you see that? Oh, you can't see it. It's so unfortunate, but you can only see the other screen. There's a Discord link in the description. There's about 500 people in that Discord server. And we talk about investing, about stocks, about everything. So make sure you join. Hit the link up. NIO's starting to come down to 44 now. It's 44.8. Oh boy. See if this is going to continue. Oh, awesome. I got another $4.2 donation from... Let me check my PayPal. Hold on, guys. I have to enter my password every single time. Jesus. Joseph, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate your donation. He says, first time viewing, great video, subbed. I have shares at $47. Where would you set a stop loss? I would set a stop loss at, I'll say 43.5 to 44. That would be a stop loss. Because if it really breaches that, then oh boy. If you want to go all out, then I would say 41, probably. But yeah, thanks for the donation, man. I really appreciate that. Oh wait, we also had a message from Robert who said, "You have helped me to go through difficult times with Tesla stock. Thank you." Yeah, I know what you feel. I had some Tesla stock too, and it was down severely at some point. But yeah, donations are possible through the Patreon, through the PayPal, and the YouTube, right? For the super chats, feel free to do so. What is this? Oh, cool. Dennis and Laura, thank you for the $10 donation. Really appreciate it. Did I skip any? No, okay. Cool. 44.9. Oh boy, yeah. The bearishness is not lasting us. So, yeah, we're going to the 45 now. As the webcast gets closer and closer, we'll start getting upwards, probably. I mean... What's happening with Tesla? Let me check it out. 439. Hold on. Oh boy, we had... Oh my gosh. Okay, 12 people just followed me on Instagram. I want to name everybody, but that's going to take a long time. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to move downstairs. Okay, I just moved location. Give me 1 second. Hey. So alright, so 1 second, guys. It's good. Like I said, I had to go downstairs, so I just had to do that real quick. So many people are bullish on NIO. Interesting. I'll be back in a second. I have to get some more stuff like the mouse and the mouse pad. So, be back in a minute. Guys, I think I will have a quick snack, eat something, because I've been live streaming for about 2.5 hours now. I will have a quick eat. It's a quick little break. We'll still be live. We'll still be following what NIO is doing right now. The webcast is in 1 hour. We'll be live until then as well. So I won't be going anywhere. Just going to eat something real quick. I've been working 12 to 14 hours on the videos, so no, I'm not going to eat live. I'm not going to do that. That would be really weird. I think we got another donation. Oh, we got $10. Great, fantastic. I'll log in real quick. We got $10 from Timothy. I'm hoping that NIO price goes down so that I can get a good buy in. I'm thinking about going 10k if it gets to 30s. Yeah, I think the same thing. So we're in the same page. Thanks for the donation, man. Really appreciate it. Checking the live stream again. $2 donation from Conscious Kaio, dying for a Bitcoin analysis. I would say maybe I could do it one day if there's demand for it. Like, if people really want to see that. Do you guys want to see me analyze Bitcoin? I think Palantir will be correcting. Definitely. Will this be the upwards move? I just doubt it, but it does look like it. Yeah, it could very well be another bullish move. Just like that. But yeah, guys, I cannot get the analysis perfect. I mean, obviously, I can't. That's literally impossible. If I was able to do that, then I would probably not be YouTubing. I'll be sitting in a Lamborghini riding towards my big house. I can't predict things exactly, so keep that in mind. Oh, people actually want to see Bitcoin. It's just some people want to see it, right? Have you guys seen the intro? We have a new intro. It's gonna be on the videos. It's a 3-second intro. I think I can show you. Just give me 1 second. Oh, fantastic. I can just show you. Right. Just give me 1 sec. I'll show you right now real quick. We'll come back to Lucid. We'll come back to the NIO live just in a second. I want your opinion. Also, look, there we go. What do you guys think of the channel banner? This is the new channel banner. What's your opinion? Do you guys like the channel banner at all? Or do you dislike it? Or we're going to come back to NIO in a second, right? NIO's starting to pump. So interesting stuff happening. Okay, so you guys like the channel. A really good friend of mine made this. He's a very creative person. He's going to improve it. Like, this is not the final result. It's going to be better than that. Looks good. Okay, cool. What about this one? This is the intro that we had in mind. Can I see this live? 1 second. Okay, so here we go. So what do you guys think of this intro? Let me just activate the desktop audio. Something like that. Just something very smooth. I think what we're going to change about the intro, what we're going to change is most likely this part. Lucid Trading. It does that and it says trading made easy or trading simplified. Something like that. But yeah, it looks really nice so far. Somebody says it's too old school. It's my first intro. It's fine. It can be old school. It's fine. I think it's good for a first intro. Well, I want to have a 4 or 5 second intro, but the problem is that I would say that I upload like 10 videos a day. If people have to watch through like a longer intro. Yeah, I actually had COVID. I don't have it anymore, but I used to have it. We're getting really close to the webcast, right? Checking out some messages. Oh, okay. NIO going up, making moves to the upside. Tesla is going down. What the hell? I think I'm gonna buy some Tesla right now. Honestly, why the hell not? Hold on. I just bought some more Tesla at 438, I believe. Should be fine. Why do you think you have so many dislikes right now? Legit question, just asking. A lot of people are really bullish on NIO stock. My analysis was, well, it's just what I see from the analysis, from the technical analysis, is that NIO is about to crash down. When people are holding a stock and I am telling them that their stock is going to go down, they will hit the dislike button. That's what's happening. I think mainly that. I don't know any other reason. I think that's the main reason. It's fine. I've seen this phenomenon every single time, so it's not something really unusual. Anytime that I'm like saying something goes down when everybody thinks it's going to go up, it's going to offend people, right? But yeah, it's fine. It happens. It's going to happen way more times. And we're going to be right about this many times, and people are going to still hate on us. So that's just how it works, right? They think it's going to be super bullish. We think it's going to be bearish. Technicals are saying bearish, and then sometimes we'll be right, and we'll get a lot of hate for it. I can buy Tesla in the after hours, so for the person that asked. Give me one sec. All right, so in 2 more minutes, I'm going to be taking a break. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes approximately. I'm going to have some food. I've been streaming and working. I'm doing what I love about 12 hours today, so I'm going to have to take a little bit of a break. I hope you guys don't mind. After that, we'll continue with the live stream, and we're going to be looking at the webcast together for NIO stock and see what's going to happen. This is going to be 1 hour from now, the webcast. And obviously, I'm going to have to eat something. I'm really hungry. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys being here, and I hope you guys are going to be staying with me for the webcast. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you have hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, obviously. Honestly, I am pleased when it comes to subscribers. We hit 8,000 subscribers. I think we're even almost at 8,200 subscribers right now. So it's really crazy. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm really grateful. If it weren't for you, I would probably be doing some ridiculous side job at like McDonald's. Nothing wrong with that, but it's just not something I would want to do. A side job, right? Like I actually was a university student, so kind of like a dropout, like, you know. But yeah, this guys, I hope you'll stay with me, and if you can, just check out the social media and the Discord server. Definitely check out that one. And if you want to support the channel, you can also check out the Patreon, which is also going to be in the description. Looks like NIO is going up now. Like we said, it's going to go up just a little bit. But yeah, I'll be seeing you guys very soon. 10 to 15 minutes, maybe a little bit later. I'm going to have some food, and it's just going to be a break. So I'm going to mute the mic right now. I'll see you guys soon. I hope I don't get copyright strike. That would be awful. But yeah, honestly, see if people are in the live chat. All right, so I'm gonna have to delete all of that. It's gonna take a lot of time to delete all of this. Gonna do the hands. This is the real technical analysis. All right, cool. Hey, Tesla's going up, isn't it? Oh wait, never mind. That is not the post market. All right, so guys, we are back. We got about 27 minutes left until the web call of NIO. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to check out my NIO position, my short position on NIO right now. Yeah. My gosh. Oh, it does look like NIO's about to go up, right? Doesn't necessarily look bearish at all right now. Yeah, the earnings report is already out. We just need to wait for the web call. I want to just quickly look at Tesla. So we said it would go up, right? Still hasn't happened. That's interesting. So we only went up 8%. And we're down 0.5%, so about 7%. For the S&P 500 inclusion, it's not a lot. I would say this is not the bottom. Or I would say this is getting close to the bottom, but so let me take a look on 30 minutes. We're going to go back to NIO in just a second. Where have we seen this before? Where have we seen this before? We've seen this right there. So I would say that there's some more bullishness coming. We've seen this right there, right here. It's not a very unnatural move. This is quite natural. What's Apple doing? Still heading upwards. It's pretty nice. What's the SPY doing? Not going down yet. Soon, very soon. Wow. It does not want to cross. That is certain. So I would think that there's going to be a bearish rally coming for the S&P. This will not only take NIO down, it will take all the stocks down. Like this is the weekly for NIO. That doesn't look healthy, man. Just all the way up, and then coming back down, and then going up again. I think would be a quite a nice comparison. Can you? Okay, you can hear me, right? Cool. Cool. Checking the live stream real quick. Oh wait, did we get any donations? Let me just briefly check. I don't think so. Let me just quickly check. Oh, wow. We didn't get donations, right? Cool. like we said, guys, like we said, this chart. Keep this chart in mind. Look at this chart. Okay, we looked at this chart. Come back here. Look at this chart. Come back here. Look at this chart. There we go. So it's the same thing. It's really similar. Really similar. Like, let's look at the Bitcoin. Does that not look similar? This is NIO stock. Hey guys, this is NIO stock. We're going up now. This is Bitcoin back in the day. See this? And then we went down. We had a brief upturn, and then we went down all the way. We went all the way down. So it's the same thing with NIO. Honestly, same chart. Same chart, different type of asset. Same chart. Looking very bearish on the weekly. Wait, I want to go back to Bitcoin real quick. Well, how did the MACD look? Same thing. Okay, that's different. Look at that. Look at the MACD. Do you see the MACD? This MACD, I think my webcam is in front of it, but this MACD is the same thing that we're seeing on NIO right now. See that? Similar thing. This is going to come down massively. This is going to be very bloody. I'm warning everybody. I keep warning everybody, but nobody listens. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be in the same industry. This is pure technicals. We've been on the overbought. We've been overextended on the MACD. Generally speaking, this is a bubble. Remember this. I'm going to show you right now, real quick. This phase that we see right there. Okay, let's just start with here. This phase, the takeoff. This phase, first sell off, the bear trap. See that? Media attention, enthusiasm phase, right here. Then we got a lot of media attention. Enthusiasm and greed. Enthusiasm started with this huge turn to the upside. Greed started with the gap up. Delusion, this right around there, I would say. The huge gap upwards, that was delusion. And then I would say the denial phase, which I can show you on the daily. This is the denial phase, which I'll show you in the 4 hours. This was the denial phase. It's like, no, NIO's not going down. What are you talking about? This is just a brief correction. I got a lot of dislikes. Here. Still getting a lot of dislikes, by the way, so make sure you hit the thumbs up. Denial phase. Return to normal. This phase, this is the return to normal. It's like, hey, we're going back up again. Yeah, NIO is super bullish. We're going to go all the way up. And then we go to the fear stage. This is the bull trap, right? Fear stage is, well, I'm going to show you right now. I'll show you some fear. Well, this is the fear stage. This, all the way down, would be fear. Fear. This right here, I would say $33 to about $26. That would be the capitulation phase. And I don't think we're going to get despair. Or despair is going to be here, capitulation is here. Then we bounce. This is going to be return to the mean. Return to the mean. This is the mean. So, yeah. Just saying, guys. I mean, be careful. I could be wrong, but this looks a lot like... oh, yeah, smart money. Look at that. This was the smart money. Smart people. Investors, and then you have retail traders. But yeah, it's whatever. You can apply this chart to almost anything that is like has supply and demand. You can do this to tulips. Back in the day, we had the tulip bubble. That was like 400 years ago. I learned this in history class. Checking the live stream real quick. Oh, we got a donation. How do you feel about NIO earnings? GH says. Thanks for the $5 donation, by the way. I would say I don't think it's going to matter. I don't think earnings are going to matter at all. Not even if they're good. We saw that deliveries, the earnings report was good, but it didn't do anything to the stock. It didn't. We still crashed down 20. It was almost 20% for a brief moment. In just like seconds. Look, I'll just take a look at this. Look at that. Okay, so you see, we went all the way to $42, and we were sitting at $49, and that just happened, just like that. FedStar says, whoa, it's actually going as you said a few days ago. The pattern is lining up perfectly. I mean, the technicals don't change necessarily. If you can make a prediction 3 days ago and you align it with today, it's going to look pretty similar. So yeah, you can make predictions based off of just the technicals. You don't need fundamentals necessarily. NIO is really slow in going up though, but we could see a pump happening right now. Let's move this a bit. This is going to be making more sense. Obviously, I'm doing this so you guys understand where things are heading. Something like that. Potentially moving that way. Yeah, that looks really awful, but it's whatever. It's just to give you guys an idea. I think 49 could be the peak of the lower high. Yeah. This could very well be the peak. I mean, if we take a look at this, yeah, pretty much, that's the peak. I'm using this as an indication because this, like, you have to understand the macro. If the macro is telling us this is a bubble, then this chart is going to be very valid. So we're going to be in the blow-off phase. We already had the mania phase. Now we're going to have the blow-off phase. It's going to get really bloody. The mania phase, that was this whole thing. I'll show you on the weekly. It looks ridiculous. This whole phase, that was mania. We're moving parabolic, making no more sense, right? Going to the moon. Right. Now we have to come back to Earth. But you know, we'll have some little bit of bullishness over. If people want to see Elliott waves, I'll do Elliott waves. I could search some patterns, apply them to NIO, but I don't think Elliott waves necessarily. It gives you guidance of like where the stock is going, but there are so many ways you can like draw the Elliott waves. At some point, it's just like what are you doing about this? Honestly. And you can do them on so many different time frames. Checking out the live chat real quick. Okay. So yeah, there's about 15 minutes left. Look how they display this chart. That is just ridiculous. They should display you this. Oh, not that. this. How is this normal for a stock? Just tell me. 27 times in 1 year. 27 times. It's absolutely ridiculous. Pardon me. Can we get a events, right? Earnings conference call is like 13 minutes left. I hope that works. Perfect. Stupid music. Okay, so we have the earnings conference call side open. There's about 12 minutes left. I'm gonna have to briefly check some things. I'll have to charge my AirPods. Oh, my hair is looking awful. But it's whatever. I'll charge the AirPods. I'll be using those when the conference call is going to be going on. Wow, NIO is starting to move upwards now. Look at that. It's almost like we said it would. But yeah, it's looking pretty bullish for the short term. Trading view is not necessarily showing that. Interesting. Oh, there we go. I'm checking some things. Just oh, cool. You have a withdrawal request. One moment. Do I think that Palantir will drop? Yes, I think Palantir will drop. I don't think it's going to drop much, but I do think it's going to correct. Probably to $16, something like that. $16 to $15 in that price range. But I think there is a possibility that it jumps to like 20 and then comes back down to 50. There we go, NIO going up. I'm expecting it to hit, let's be a little bit more bullish. 47.5 to 47.6. This is today. Yeah, right. And then tomorrow could be a very negative day because earnings is over. If it's not, then it's not. But I think it's going to be bearish. The conference call has nothing to decide. Unless they're going to announce new products and new everything. Which I don't think they will. What can they say? The technicals are looking very bearish. I mean, they could at least say, hey guys, I mean, they have to admit at some point that their stock is so overvalued. Usually, I'm just gonna say one thing. I'll show you. Why should I even tell it to you? I'll show you. You see, this is earnings. This is evidence. Earnings, day after, huge downturn. Earnings, day after, huge downturn. And I keep going. I can keep going. This one, we had a downturn on earnings. Couple days after earnings, huge downturn. On earnings, huge downturn. And then a downturn after that. Another massive down. Well, it was a gap up, and then we kept going down the days after. So how many should I show you? I mean, honestly, this is, in my opinion, enough evidence to say that, along with the technical analysis that we did, it's looking like NIO is going to go down. Chris Lysiak says, after every downturn, the stock is always going up a lot. I agree. I'm not saying it's going to go down forever. I think it's going to go down and then go up. That's what I've been trying to say. But everybody's hating on me because it's going to go down. But it's fine. Oh, 5 more minutes left. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have a tiny sell-off. It's like 20%, 30%. I mean, what is that for NIO? Nothing. NIO goes up and down 20% all the time. Yeah, I'm saying down on the short term. I'm not saying long term. I think long term this is gonna go up. Short term is like a week to a couple weeks, right? Long term is a couple months, a couple years. But this is just short term negativity. Mark Lee says, you realize NIO had terrible quarters until recently and can't compare them to the latest report. Well, that's really bad logic, because what I can say then is like, do you know that back when they had bad quarters, they were undervalued, and that right now they're overvalued? So with that logic, it doesn't make sense. Like, right now they're overvalued. Well, yeah, the earnings is good, but they're overvalued. So I think it's the same thing. Overvalued, undervalued, earnings good, earnings bad. We're literally comparing the same thing. So it is similar in some way. Hey Gyra, where do you think Ride will be going from today's gains? I think Ride is going to correct and then go up massively. I think the markets are probably going to be, I think, more bullish. I haven't looked at it properly, so let me just quickly look at it. It's going to be important for this. It's heading downwards, right? Yeah, I think it's going to be bearish. Definitely bearish. Definitely bearish. It's probably going to be a bearish. Like, come on. Unless there's some news coming out. I think tomorrow's most likely going to be bearish. Dude, let's like try different candles. Oh yes, I like that. This is like art. Aw, we don't have the Pro Ultra. Okay, what just happened? Look at that. That's just crazy. Nah, I don't like this necessarily. The candles are nice. Gosh dang it, my battery is running low. I will grab the charger right now. Okay. I'm gonna have to connect my AirPods real quick. Hold on, 1 more minute. Hopefully I can get this right. One second, guys. Cool, it's connected. And hold on. One second. Any moment now, so I think everything is working right now, so let me check. What's NIO doing right now? We're still at 46.3. Nothing really special happening so far. It does look like we're going bullish now. What is this? Why are they still not doing anything? Wait, what? I refreshed just now.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for standing by for NIO Incorporated third quarter 2020 earnings conference call. At this time, all participants are in a listen-only mode. Today's conference call is being recorded. And I will now turn the call over to your host, Mr. Ray Chan, Director of Investor Relations of the company. Please go ahead, Ray.
Thank you. Good morning and good evening, everyone. Welcome to NIO's third quarter 2020 earnings conference call. The company's financial and operating results were published in the press release earlier today and are posted at the company's IR website. On today's call, we have Mr. William Li, Founder, Chairman of the Board, and Chief Executive Officer; Ms. Steven Feng, Chief Financial Officer; Ms. Danny Chu,
Volume is maximum right now;
and Ms. Jade Wei, AVP of Capital Markets and Investor Relations. Before we continue, please be kindly reminded that today's discussion will contain forward-looking statements made under the safe harbor provisions of the U.S. Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking statements involve inherent risks and uncertainties. As such, the company's actual results may be materially different from the views expressed today. Further information regarding risks and uncertainties is included in certain filings of the company with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The company does not assume any obligation to update any forward-looking statements except as required under applicable law. Please also note that NIO's earnings press release and this conference call include discussions of unaudited GAAP financial information, as well as unaudited non-GAAP financial measures. Please refer to NIO's press release, which contains a reconciliation of the unaudited non-GAAP measures to comparable GAAP measures. With that, I will now turn the call over to our CEO, Mr. William Li. William, go ahead, please.
Awesome.
大家好，非常感谢各位参加未来2020年第三季度的季报电话会议。
Hello everyone, thank you for joining NIO's 2020 Q3 earnings call.
2020年第三季度，未来总共交付了12206辆 ES8、ES6 和 EC6， 同比增长 154.3%， 环比增长 18.1%。2020年10月交付量达到5055辆，再次创造月度交付新高。
In the third quarter of 2020, NIO delivered 12,206 ES8, ES6, and EC6, representing a strong growth of 154.3% year-over-year and 18.1% quarter-over-quarter. In October 2020, we delivered 5,055 vehicles, achieving another monthly delivery record.
ES6 连续13个月蝉联中国电动 SUV 市场销量冠军。ES8 在中国40万元以上高端电动 SUV 市场中占据销量的首位。EC6 也顺利量产开始交付。我们保持了高水平的质量和服务口碑，持续得到用户的好评。9月份，在 J.D. Power 发布的2020年中国新能源汽车体验研究中，蔚来再度获得纯电动新车质量排名第1名。
ES6 has been the best-selling electric SUV in China for 13 consecutive months. ES8 has reached the number 1 in sales this year in the premium electric SUV segment, priced above 400,000 RMB in China. Our third product, EC6, has started deliveries in September. we have gained and maintained a great word-of-mouth reputation for our product quality and service, and continuously received positive feedback from our users. In the 2020 China New Energy Vehicle Experience Index, released by JD Power in September, NIO has once again ranked highest in NEV new vehicle quality among all brands.
随着 BAS 的推出，我们的产品和服务得到了更多用户的认可。10月份新增订单再创历史纪录，4季度我们有信心交付量达到16500到17000辆。
After the launch of battery as a service for bus, NIO's products and services have been increasingly accepted by more users. The new order intake in October broke the historic record and exceeded our expectations. In the fourth quarter, we are confident that the deliveries will further grow to between 16,500 and 17,000 units.
在毛利率方面，随着季度交付量的增长和高价车型销量占比的上升，加上物料采购成本和制造费效的持续改善，我们3季度的整车和综合毛利率分别达到 14.5% 和 12.9%， 超过我们此前的预计。
In terms of a gross profit, supported by the steadily growing quarterly deliveries, increase of higher margin products in our product mix, as well as continuous improvement on material cost and manufacturing efficiency, our gross margin in the third quarter has continued the upward trend, with the vehicle margin and overall gross margin reaching 14.5% and 12.9% respectively, surpassing our previous expectation.
公司的体系优势正在逐渐显现。2020年第3季度的运营亏损进一步收窄至 9.46 亿元，环比下降 18.4%， 同比下降 60.7%。第3季度我们再次实现了正向经营现金流，我们有信心2020年全年总体可以实现经营活动现金流转正。
NIO's system efficiency is getting more and more self-evident. The operating loss has further narrowed to 946 million RMB in the third quarter of 2020, representing an 18.4% decrease month-over-month and a 60.7% decrease year-over-year. In addition, we have achieved a positive cash flow from operating activities for the second sequential quarter in Q3. We are confident to achieve a positive operating cash flow for the full fiscal year 2020.
接下来我们再来交流一下近期的一些重点工作。
Next, I would like to share with you some key tasks of the company.
研发方面，我们在10月份向用户推送了领航辅助功能 Navigate on Pilot， 进一步增加了未来 NIO Pilot 的自动辅助驾驶的竞争力，受到了用户和媒体的好评。通过深度融合多传感器、环境感知以及高精地图的数据，领航辅助功能可以按照导航规划的路径，实现自动进出匝道和自动超越慢车等功能，支持高速公路以及城市高架路段，并且根据中国的路况场景进行了优化。
With respect to R&D, we released the Navigate on Pilot feature, or NOP, to users via photo in October, which has further boosted the competitiveness of NIO Pilot over ADAS system, and received rave reviews from users and media. Through fusing the environmental data from the sensor suite with high-definition maps, NOP can guide the vehicle to follow the navigation route, automatically drive from on-ramp to off-ramp, and overtake slower cars. It can engage not only on highways, but also urban expressways, with optimizations based on specific use cases in China.
我们正在加速第二代技术平台 NT2 的开发。NT2 的核心是行业最领先的量产自动驾驶系统。我们将在 NIO Day 上与大家分享更多的细节。
We are accelerating the development of the second generation technology platform, NT 2.0. The core of NT 2.0 is industry-leading mass production autonomous driving system. We will share more details of NT 2.0 at NIO Day 2020.
11月6日，蔚来发布了100度电池包。100度电池系统采用高度集成的 C2P 设计，能量密度提升了37%，大大提升了蔚来全系产品的续航里程。100度电池包采用了无热蔓延的安全设计，全天候温控、端云融合 BMS 等先进技术，将在12月份开始交付用户。随着100度电池包的推出，我们将为70度电池包用户提供永久升级以及按月按年的灵活升级服务。至此，我们成功闭环了车电分离、电池租用、可充可换可升级的商业和服务模式。
On November 6th, NIO launched the 100 kWh battery pack. It features a highly integrated cell-to-pack architecture with 37% energy density increase, which significantly extends the drive range of our product lineup. It has also adopted other advanced technologies, including thermal propagation prevention design, all climate thermal management, and bidirectional cloud BMS to make the battery safer and better. The 100 kWh battery pack will begin deliveries in December. Together with the launch of the 100 kWh battery pack, we also provide permanent upgrades and flexible upgrades by month or by year to users of the 70 kWh battery pack. As of today, we have successfully closed the loop for our innovative bus model through vehicle battery separation, battery subscription, and chargeable, swappable, and upgradable battery solutions.
产能方面，我们9月份已经达到了5000台的全供应链产能，团队正在与合作伙伴一起进一步提升产能，预计明年1月份将实现全供应链产能提升至每月7500台，以满足不断增长的用户需求。
As for production capacity, our overall supply chain production capacity has already reached 5,000 units per month in September. The teams are working diligently together with our partners to further elevate our production capacity. We target to expand the overall supply chain production capacity to 7,500 units per month in January 2021 to meet the growing user demand.
销售和服务网络方面，蔚来已经有22个蔚来中心和159个蔚来空间，覆盖中国106个城市。蔚来换电站已建成159座，覆盖70个城市。我们正在开发成本更低、体验更好的2代换电站，将在明年上半年开始部署。
In regards of the sales and service network, NIO has opened 22 new houses and 159 new spaces in 106 cities and 159 power swap stations in 70 cities in China. Moreover, we're developing the second generation power swap station with lower cost and a better experience, and are planning to deploy the second generation swap station in the first half of 2021.
我们的用户数量在不断扩大，蔚来用户社区充满了更多活力。刚刚迎来了蔚来车主志愿者2周年，截至2020年11月10日，蔚来社区共有3101位车主志愿者，他们来自全国118个城市，出现在展厅、车展、直播平台、交付中心、NIO Day。用户的信任和支持一直是我们最大的前进动力。
As our user base continues to expand, the new user community is becoming ever more vibrant. November marks the second anniversary of the new user volunteer initiative. As of November 10th, 2020, there are 3,101 user volunteers from 118 cities. They take it
NIO is
upon
coming down
themselves
severely
to promote NIO and contribute to the community at the showrooms, auto shows, live streaming platforms, delivery centers, and the NIO Day. Users' trust and support have always been the biggest motivation for NIO to do more and be better.
蔚来将在 2020年11月25日迎来6周岁的生日。在用户的支持和团队努力下，我们取得了里程碑式的表现，但我们仍然是一家历史很短的初创公司，面临激烈的市场竞争和挑战。我们会坚决的产品和核心技术研发进行投入，提供最好的服务和全程的用户体验，来回馈我们忠实的用户社区。
On November 26, 2020, NIO will embrace its 6th anniversary. With user support and team effort, we have achieved a milestone performance. But we are still a startup